Hey guys, good morning or good afternoon. So, as many of you have asked how to go to course C once you finished our course B that we started doing in class, and after you finish the hour of code that you've chose, because remember, once you finish course B, we're going to hour of code of your choice, and then we go to course C. So let's do these two things. First, we go to the hour of code, and then we go to the final course C, which we're going a little ahead, but it's awesome. So if you have free time, you're advancing with your programming skills, your logic skills, and your thinking abilities of thinking. So let's go. We're going to course catalog. Well, first of all, this is your first page. When you enter, but let's not here. So to cover, you just click here. The top left corner says this little square. It will take you here. Once you're, that is the front page, the home page of code. You're going to course catalog. Okay. So let's wait here for a start. Course catalog. Here in course, you're going to find all of the courses they have to offer for us. So we go course catalog. And here they explain to us how that is organized. That is the courses organized from K to 11th grade. We're not going to make all of them here. We're going to do course C and then course D, and we would stop there. But if you want to advance more, awesome. Because once we advance more, when you get further in school in programming abilities, we're going to learn some other programs, and this will help you. So let's explain. Look, from K to 5th, it's elementary school. So we are still elementary school. Click here, learn more elementary school, up here. Once you enter here, you're going to see all the courses in elementary school. Let's start in course A. We didn't do that because that is for K, and we start in first grade with B. And now we're going to advance to C. Here you have a graph where they show you this. Look, kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. We're doing this. We don't have time in school. We have other things to learn. But don't worry. If you have time at home, advancing. We just finished B for first grade. But now we're going to start course C. Okay? Course C. Here we go. Once you click view course, you can start playing away. There you go, course C. Then you start playing course C. But if you didn't do the hour of code before, so let's see how we get to the hour of code. Even easier. Same steps. We go here, the first corner left, to go to the front page, and then we go course catalog again. Once you go to course catalog, remember here you find all the courses they have to offer you. We go there, and you will find the place where it says hour of code. In the hour of code, you get, and then you can find from all the courses they offer us. Of course, when you enter to hour of code, they have, for example, Minecraft, and you're going to find other 3 courses that you can choose from. Remember, I recommend already in the sessions and for some of you in class that we should start with Adventurer. That is the most not difficult right now because we're still in first grade, right? Once you finish, for example, course C, you can choose the other Minecraft that are more difficult. Let's go there. So we go down, course catalog, hour of code. Here you go, hour of code. Here they show us 4 types, but if you want to see more, we click view more. And here you're going to find even more courses. That is 1 hour of code. Mainly, you're going to spend more than 1 hour of code doing that. Enter here, go down. I love this one. Good music. Go down, down. Minecraft right here. These are for big ones. Let's not right now. Star Wars, Frozen, Classic Maze. Those are just the puzzles. Infinity Lab, if you know Play Lab. Artist, free art you can make. And Flappy Code, the last one that we do in some courses. Sports is good too. Okay guys, that's it for now. Bye bye, you take care.